Okay guys, on my previous video, not video, on my previous short video, I told you about coming soon video. It means how to solve the megaminx cube correctly. Okay guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to solve this megaminx. I think it's very easy. It's just like a 3x3 cube. Before solving this cube, you make sure you know how to solve this 3x3 cube. Okay, now let's move on to the video. Okay, first of all, let's solve this cube as usual. I think the cube was shuffled. As the first step, we have to make a star of this cube. In 3x3 cube, we make a cross like this. In megaminx cube, we make a star. Okay, first let's start with the purple. And where is the purple and white? And here's the purple and white. And then here's yellow and white, and we can insert this each piece like this. If you're thinking what are the algorithms of making stars, there aren't any algorithms because we have to make it our own. Okay, let's insert this edge to this. And so in this case we have to unlock this edge piece and insert it to this like that. This is the end of the first step. Like this, we have to make the star. Okay, the second step. If we're doing C4 or beginner's method. In beginner's method, you can insert this corner piece as one piece, and I'm not going to do the C4 method because if you are a beginner, so you can understand it very quickly. And let's insert this one like this. Well, in this case also I have to tell there aren't any algorithms. If you don't know how to solve the 3x3 cube, you can easily solve this star and these corner pieces. Okay, now I'm solving. Okay, the white face was solved. Okay, now we are moving to the F2L, and there's another case, S2L. F2L means first two layers, S2L means second two layers, because there's a second layer. In this part of the video, I'm gonna teach you only the F2L piece, and so you have to practice more and can watch the other part of the video. Okay, now you can make this just like you making the 3x3 cube. Okay guys, so we have to insert this edge. It means green and purple. Here's the green and purple, and if the purple edge was just like this, so move like this and do like that. If you have any doubts, please comment below, or if you can't understand. Okay, now let's move on to the last dual piece. Okay guys, here's I made the dual piece star just like that. Okay, let's do an example solve. Here's the white and green edge, so we can insert it to there, and this one to there. Oh, it's so easy, I think. And here's the white and purple edge. Let's insert that edge to this star, and the last star. Oh, there's a paired piece. We can insert it here and insert it just like this, and let's insert unlock this corner and insert this like this, insert that corner, and there's a stuck edge piece in correct order. Let's insert that like usually, like you're solving this cube. Okay, now I can do an example in 3x3 cube if you cannot understand it. First, we are making the cross like this, so we have to make the star, and you're making this corner piece like this, just like that. I hope you understand that part of this megaminx cube. Okay, see you soon from the part 2. It means DF dual, and I hope you guys understand this video. Please subscribe my channel so you can have the part 2 of this megaminx cube to your phone, and this is the end of the video. Bye guys!